Good morning. Again, I am Madnawaz sir, Faculty of Biology. So, this is my next video. It is a continued video of chapter number 4, Reproductive Health. Okay. Here, the question is the requirements of the control population rise and birth control. What is the requirements? What is the requirements for control the population and birth control? Because time to time the scientific facilities has developed which are helpful in death rate control of death rate and basic amenities has been improved. That's why the population has increased a survey. So this to control this population, it is necessary some measures should be taken regarding this population. There is a survey, just you see here, it is a survey means in 19th century the entire world population, पूरे विश्व की, this world population was approximately 2 billion. And again, after 100 years, this time is 100, between 1900 to 2000. So after this 100 years, this time is how much? That is the 100 years. This population has raised up to 6. So 2000 से 2 billion से ये 6 billion, how much? 6 billion हो गई. Then again census was done during 2011. So the world population was 7.2 million. So this is the census of the world. Now regarding the census of India, just same during the time of independence, 1947, when India became independent. So at that time the population of India was only 350 million, not billion. It is 350 million. After 50 years approximately, just 50 and 1947 and 2000, so just 40 years, this population rise more than 1 billion. It is more than 1 billion. Okay, it is more than 1 billion. कितने समय में? केवल 50 वर्ष में. 1947 में भारत आजाद हुआ और 2000 में फिर सेंसस हुआ. उस समय हमारे देश की पॉपुलेशन 1 बिलियन हो गई. स्टार्टिंग में कितनी थी? 350 मिलियंस थी और मिलियन से कहाँ जंप कर गई? बिलियंस. देन अगेन सेंसस वाज डन इन 2011. 2011 में जो सेंसस हुआ, जनगणना, सेंसस मीन्स जनगणना हुई, उस समय हमारी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन was approximately 1.2 billion. So it raised very quickly. Then इस पॉपुलेशन के रेज होने से व्हाट हैपन्स? द रिजल्ट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन राइज. इसका इफेक्ट क्या हुआ? पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन हुआ. तो इस एक्सप्लोजन का हमारी लाइफ पर क्या इफेक्ट हुआ? So as a result of this population growth, increase the poverty. गरीबी आ गई. पॉवर्टी मीन्स गरीबी आ गई. ज्यादा लोग पैदा हो गए, हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कम हो गए, गरीबी आ गई. माल न्यूट्रिशन, हमको जो खाना मिल रहा था वो अच्छा नहीं, उसकी क्वालिटी डिटोरिएट हो गई. सो माल न्यूट्रिशन. एंड this industrialization, urbanization also increase the pressure. पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती गई, कारखाने बढ़ते गए, रोजगार की सुविधाएं बढ़ाते गए, शहरीकरण बढ़ता गया, गांव खाली होते गए। इस तरह से एक प्रेशर किट क्रिएट हुआ। किस पर प्रेशर? हमारे जो नेचुरल जो रिसोर्सेस हैं, हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्या हैं? आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर दी सॉइल, these are the soil, these are the air, these are the water, these are our resources, natural. So the pressure has been exerted on these natural resources. उसके बाद ऐसा हुआ क्यों? Why this population has increases? The reason is that due to the decline in death rate, कि मरने वालों के जो संख्या थी वो कम हो गई, ड्यू टू द साइंटिफिक रीजन, ड्यू टू द फैसिलिटीज ऑफ द साइंस, अचीवमेंट ऑफ द साइंस, साइंस की एडवांसनेस से इन द फील्ड ऑफ बायोलॉजी, इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिकल, इन द फील्ड ऑफ डिजीज। सो क्या हुआ? द रेट ऑफ डेथ डिक्लाइन, देन maternal mortality rate also decline. Mother during the time of delivery, मदर की डेथ हो जाती थी, इट हैज डिक्लाइन। सेकेंड, इन्फेंट्स, दिस infants mortality also decline. In short, IMR, MMR, IMR का मतलब होता है infants mortality rate और MMR का मीनिंग होता है maternal mortality rate. ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, बच्चे चाइल्ड की डेथ हो जाना और मदर की डेथ हो जाना, ये स्टॉप हो गया due to the advancedness in the field of medical science. Okay, then our this RCH program which was given by the India, this RCH means reproductive and child health program was given. Due to this program we have able to decrease bit population, okay, and some changes in our lifestyle. Our this death, this age, reproductive age has also been considered and fixed. Previously it was considered 14, later on it has increased just to stop the growth of the population. So it has been enhanced from 14 to 18 years for female, this 18 years for female and 21 years for male. It is the reproductive age has been considered, okay, and other measures also has been taken. So this is the reason, this population has increases, okay. Second, then what measures should be taken? अब ये है पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो गई है, उस पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज से हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज पर बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट आ गया है। धीमे धीमे ग्रेजुअली दे आर डिक्रीजिंग, आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर डिक्रीजिंग, ओके। दिस सॉइल, दिस फर्टाइल लैंड, दिस गुड फूड, दिस अनपॉल्यूटेड एयर, ये सब पूरा घटता चला जा रहा है। तो पॉल्यूशन बढ़ने की वजह से अनपॉल्यूटेड एयर मीन्स क्लीन एयर, ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल पा रही है इसकी वजह से। तो देन what we should do? We should control the population. How we can control? There are so many methods. By which we can control the population growth. One method, that is the natural method, means we have to control the birth of the child in a family. हमें एक फैमिली में चाइल्ड की बर्थ को कंट्रोल करना है बाय डिफरेंट मीन्स। बहुत सारे अलग अलग उसके मेथड हैं, अलग अलग साधन हैं। तो उनमें से एक मेथड है दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल मेथड टू कंट्रोल द बर्थ ऑफ द न्यूली बोर्न चाइल्ड, okay, to control the birth of the child. So just we can able to control the population growth. One, that is the natural method. What is the natural method? Natural method means people should know the exact fertilization period during the menstrual cycle. this menstrual cycle is uh, take 1 to 5 days, then ovulation period, then other. So total cycle is monthly cycle, and it is 28 days cycle. So starting 5 days is the menstrual cycle. 5 days is the menstrual cycle is starting. Later 6 to 14th day, it is the development of follicle and ovulation. You should know that 14th day, 28 में से 14वां जो दिन है, in the middle, it is the best day of the ovulation. ओवरी में से ओवुलेशन, ओवम का रिलीज होने का जो डे है, इट इज दी 14th डे. सो what should do? We should avoid before 3 to 4 days, after 3 to 4 days. जो मिडल डे है, जो मिडल डे है, उस मिडल डे से 3 से 4 दिन पहले, 3 से 4 दिन बाद, we should avoid the union of the sperm and ovum. So we should avoid the coitus. Second, this coitus interruption means it is the another natural method. Means the semen of the male should be released outside the uterus or vagina before ejaculation. Before ejaculation. So there is no chances of the union of the sperm and ovum. Then third natural method, if a mother has given the birth to a child, then she is she is giving breastfeeding to the child. If this time is up to the 6th month, if a mother is giving breastfeeding to a child up to the 6th month, at that time the chances of the pregnancy is very nil. वो चांस जो है उस समय प्रेगनेंसी के चांस बिल्कुल नील होंगे. ओके. उसके बाद अगर आगे कंटिन्यूस करती है तो भी उसके चांस कम ही रहेंगे. तो ये एक मेथड है. तो इस मेथड में कोई मेडिसिन नहीं ली जा रही है, कोई दिस आर्टिफिशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज नहीं हो रहा है. दिस इज ऑल नेचुरल मेथड. नेचुरल मेथड मीन्स वी शुड नो अबाउट द पीक टाइम. हमें उसका जो पीक टाइम है उस समय स्पर्म और ओवम की यूनियन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द जायगोट शुड बी अवॉइडेड. Okay, this is the natural method. Then this some barrier method. Barrier method क्या है? Barrier method means this is the barrier. Okay, here it is the sperm and it is the ovum. Okay, and it is the barrier. So we should create a barrier between sperm and ovum. That is called barrier method. That is called barrier method. So here this both male and female, they can use some barrier to prevent the union of sperm and ovum. That is called barrier method. Now first method for male, that is the condom. Condom is a barrier method. It is a tubular structure, closed at one end, open at other end. It is made by the thin it is made by the thin rubber or latex sheath. It is made by the latex sheath or thin rubber, very thin rubber. That is called condom and popularly known as by name of Nirod, and it should be used, it is used by the male before coitus. And regarding the female, this female same condom and other, that is the, it is a condom same or some diaphragm, this some diaphragm and this wallet cap are also present. It should be used by the female before coitus. So it prevent the entry of the sperm in the uterus and in the oviduct. It prevent the union of the sperm with the ovum. So no fertilization, no zygote formation. So these are the barrier method. Beside some chemicals, that is the spermicide, that is the spermicides. Okay, this spermicides, that is the cream, spermicidal cream, this jelly and this foam, they are also used. They they give the negative effect on the mortality of the sperm, and they make them dormant or inactive. So this is the chemicals, cream, jelly and foam, also used before coitus. So method these are the method by which these are the barrier method, and previous it was the natural method. It is the natural method, and these are the barrier method. In this barrier method, this barrier is created, this is the barrier, and this barrier is made by the thin polythene. This is made by the polythene or rubber. This is made by the rubber or latex sheath, just to prevent the entry of sperm into the ovum. So no zygote here mean no zygote formation, and no zygote formation, no child formation, no embryo formation, no fetus formation, no child formation. This is the method to control the birth, to control the population of the country. Okay, other methods are also present that we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.